Hi guys, James at Artisan Electric. I am one of the product specialists for our Horwin brand, and today I'm going to go through the key features and the accessories of the Horwin EK3. The EK3 is your go-to electric commuter scooter, perfect for the urban environment, making your journey cost-effective, convenient, and injects a bit of fun back into your commute. The EK3 is a 125cc equivalent learner-legal electric scooter that can be ridden on a CBT licence from the age of 17, boasting an impressive urban range of 40 miles with its removable battery and smooth twist and go acceleration to 60 miles per hour. The EK3 comes with a smart display showing your speed, battery percentage, riding mode, current and your odometer, giving you everything you need for the ride ahead. Underneath you'll notice a swipe function. From here you can take advantage of the EK3's keyless operation. Simply have your key fob within range of the scooter and swipe. Your EK3 will then turn on, ready to set off. The EK3 comes with simple and easy to use function buttons. Starting on the right hand side we have the main beam switch. 3 ride modes allowing you to control top speed and throttle sensitivity. Mode 1 will take you up to 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for filtering. Mode 2 is 45, and Mode 3 takes you to the top speed of 60 miles per hour. Hazard lights for extra safety on the road. Last, we have the park and reverse switch. By pressing the park button, this will put the EK3 into a ready status, and you will notice on your display the P changes to whatever ride mode you have selected. To engage reverse, press and hold the button whilst twisting the throttle. To stop, just release the button and you'll be able to ride forward again. Now let's head over to the left side. For some of you who are looking to convert from petrol to electric, this will look similar to your normal setup, including headlight switch, indicators and horn. You will also notice the green button. This is to turn on your cruise control. Simply go to your desired speed, press the button and your speed will be set. To turn it off, you can either press the button again or apply your brakes. The EK3 comes with the CBS, combined braking system. This combines both your front and rear brakes together, creating more braking power without losing grip. Brakes are front biased, allowing for safer control under braking, ideal for wetter conditions. The EK3 comes with a convenient 72 volt 36 amp hour removable battery. Perfect for anyone who can't charge their scooter on the street. Why not take it inside your flat, home or even the office and fully charge in 4 hours through a standard 13 amp wall socket. For anyone who has the ability to store the EK3 inside, you can even directly plug your charger into the charge port. You'll notice underseat storage next to the battery, perfect for a trip to the local shops or storing any other essentials. But can I fit another battery in that space, I hear you ask? Yes you can. Add an additional battery and double your range to 80 miles for those longer journeys. And don't forget, you can also charge your phone via USB. If you're looking to make your EK3 even more convenient for commuting, why not add our selection of accessories? Starting from the Shad 33 litre top box for storing a helmet and other essentials, a mobile phone holder to keep your phone secure and dry, or why not keep your pride and joy secure with the Oxford armoured cable lock. So, if you're looking for the perfect electric scooter, a nice alternative to the petrol ones, the Horwin EK3 could be the one for you. We offer nationwide delivery, a friendly, professional handover service, and we've got you covered with that. So, if you need any more information or would like to purchase today, go to our website, www.artisanscooters.com. You'll find the link in the description below, and I shall see you soon. Thanks, guys.